So in the Engineering A Better World kit, there's this resource pack. And when you open it up, there's a whole host of equipment. The first thing is the set of booklets. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look in the booklets, and we're also going to show what you actually get when you receive your own kit.
So at the front page of the folder that the booklets come in is a handy guide that shows you the different resources that are going to be included in this in the folder. So there's 6 different booklets that you'll receive. You'll also see that on the inside of the folder there's a handy little guide that tells you how much of each of the components that you get.
So in addition to this, there's also a DEXT circuit kit, and this is very much something that you can use with your students so they can actually investigate building their own circuits. So that's, I suppose, the extra thing which doesn't have its own booklet, because there's a booklet inside which goes through everything that the students can work through.
As well as the DEXT kit, we also include solar panels, a cart for you to build, buzzers, LED strips, a motor, an extra capacitor, wires, electric pump, and a syringe as well.
So the resource actually includes most of the equipment that you need. There's a few extra things that you might need to provide yourself. The whole point in this is looking at recycling and upcycling. So it might be things like plastic bottles, it might be some containers. I think the only thing that I really added to this were some of these double-sided sticky pads, and they were invaluable when it came to actually joining things together and making things. But apart from that, it's pretty much everything that you need within the box.
And as we go through some of the videos, we'll provide some ideas about where we use the additional materials or what extra stuff we use to add to the different practical experiments.
And don't forget that you can find all of the resource guides as well as extra videos that explain each of the activities on the STEM Resources website.